Good afternoon, everybody. This is your Friday, October 14th Campus Weather Service web video update. I'm meteorologist Jase Bernhardt. And as we look at what's going on right now, we got that heavy rain outside of State College as a cold front is moving through. You see the temperature and the dew point identical, so that means 100% humidity. So rain should be falling, and it is at a heavy clip right now as a cold front passes through. A little breezy as well as that front is passing through, bringing us some heavy rain, as we have temperatures right now in the upper 50s. Looking at what's going on in this radar right now, again, you see the shield of heavy rain moving through central Pennsylvania. There's a cold front that is just behind this area of rain that is crossing the state of Pennsylvania here early this Friday afternoon, and it's going to continue to make progress through the state. So we have that rain now, periods of heavy rain over the next few hours, but this front should eventually cross through. You already see clearing coming in to Altoona and Johnstown in the later stages of this radar. So as we go through the next few hours, rain but eventual clearing for central PA, and this area of rain will move into eastern and southeastern PA. Right now, some isolated convection there as it's a little warmer, temperatures in the 60s and 70s, so isolated thunderstorms in eastern Pennsylvania before this main area of moderate to heavy rain comes through, bringing the temperatures down for all of the state as we head into Friday night. Zooming out, looking at the national radar right now, you see, again, this area of rain associated with a cold front. We have a low pressure system up here in the northern Great Lakes spinning around. You can see in the satellite that's dragging down this cold front, which will bring some cooler air into the region. Not that much cooler, still seasonably mild temperatures as we head through the weekend, but a little cooler than we saw overnight last night into early this morning as a warm front passed through. That front is now passing through upstate New York and New England. So temperatures right now, you see slightly cooler air coming in behind that cold front, 50s here in the upper Midwest, and a little warmer along the coast where that warm front passed through, mid to upper 60s, and then 70s and 80s as we head further into southeast. So we still have not really tapped into that cold Canadian air yet here in this mid-fall, so we still will see temperatures in the 50s and 60s, seasonably mild as we head through the weekend into early next week. It won't be until later next week that we could finally see some cold air coming down from the north. So again, temperatures across the state right now, warmer in the east where the front has not passed through yet, and they've actually seen a few breaks of sunshine. So you see upper 60s in the 70s, Philadelphia, Lancaster, Scranton, and you see the cold air moving in from the west behind this front, already down to 50 in Johnstown, mid-50s, Pittsburgh up through Erie. Again, 57 in State College right now, and that temperature should drop. We've seen our high temperature for the day already here this morning as that warm front came through, but again, cold front passing through here early afternoon, that'll knock temperatures down as we head later into the day. So what's going on in the upper levels of the atmosphere? Well, you see this trough here digging in at 500 millibars in the middle levels of the upper atmosphere, and that is bringing in that unsettled weather and cooler weather, as this dip in the pattern here indicates cooler weather moving in as we head through our Saturday. Still, again, not very cold. The deeper blues would mean colder weather, and that's way up north. So greens means about seasonable, 50s and 60s down at the surface, and still warmer as we head further to the south. And as we head through Sunday, temperatures moderating a little, but a little disturbance will come through this trough, meaning isolated showers, but temperatures into the 60s. More of the same Monday. And then Tuesday, you see this rise, a bit of a ridge coming through out in front of a storm system, which will be here in the Midwest. So Tuesday will mean warmer temperatures in front of a storm system, which will pass through later in the day. Tuesday, we'll see some clouds, and Wednesday, we will see another shot of some decent rain. Here's the futurecast for this weekend, showing that rain moving out as we head through the day today into Saturday morning, and looking good for the football game here, Purdue versus Penn State here midday on Saturday. Looking like we will see lots of clouds, but staying dry as we head through Saturday into Sunday. The next chance of showers will be with a weak system moving through on Sunday, and that will be Sunday night and later into Monday morning. We'll see some isolated showers with that system. Again, that sprawling low pressure system right now over the upper Midwest, dragging through that warm front, but now here comes the cold front as we go through Friday. And again, lots of clouds, but drier for Friday night into Saturday. Again, not much rain behind the system, but some clouds. So taking a look at the 3-day forecast for the weekend, again, for today, we've already seen that high of 62. Temperatures will fall through the 50s as that cold front comes through, getting down in the mid-40s tonight. Looking pretty nice for Saturday. Again, lots of clouds, a little breezy behind this front, but temperatures in the upper 50s and generally staying dry. And then later in the day on Sunday, we could see a chance of isolated showers, but temperatures warming into the mid-60s as we see clouds and some sun breaking through. As we head through the week, Monday looks like a pretty nice day as we'll see partly cloudy skies and temperatures getting up to around 60. Warming up for Tuesday, but again, we'll see increasing clouds as the next storm system approaches, and that will bring more unsettled weather for Wednesday into Thursday, and then cooler conditions as we head into the latter portions of next week. That's your Friday afternoon web weather update on the Campus Weather Service for Penn State.